Discourse beyond boundaries haiba hiramda malem gi thakta namin ini chupna chethagadaba multi-disciplinary conference ama DM College of Arts ta hokre. Conference asi Department of English, DM University, IQAC, DMU amade English Literary Circle Manipur na punna khusam naduna chethabani. Conference asigi matangda Organizing Committee ki Chairman su oriba Department of English DMU ki Head Dr. R.K. Sangsarina malem yoina honglakliba mahimasingi ahongba sida tung inba ngamnaba fil amaga gi boundary lansinaduna punna lawshing lawminaba amadi anoba lawshing pukai tansin minabagi tangai fadaba lay. Conference asida Thailand, Bangladesh sigi professor sing yauna leba sigi maming leraba university kayagi masak naiba miyoi sing su yauri haina phongdokhi.
Ngasai matam gi demand ni ekhoina masi tawdaba yadaba aduga ekhoina masi this is the only way in which we can ekhoigi leidiba we can negotiate with change haibatare ahong bala iba mayam si ga ekhoina chunana hingnana ba aduguma pandam amada changchanjabani amadi ekhoigi lam punamaksi tungan lamdaba mari loina lainaba in order to understand the interconnectedness of things and promote a holistic approach to knowledge knowledge ki oiba apunba ama sagatba amadi ekoina in creating new knowledge habatare anauba knowledge puthokpada asigumba se yamna mathok taba lam ama oirap